Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast edition. Yes, your fellow competitor speaking. All right, guys, quick update on the NEO market. Things are going as planned. We have a price target, time frame, structure in the price that we're looking for, as well as some earnings call. A few things we're going to go over, hopefully in a short video. So let's get right into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's May the 2nd, 2024, in the previous close of NEO, $5.59, slightly positive 6% for the day. Okay, a little bit selling going in the post market, guys. $5.58, down 0.1%. All right, hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. First and foremost, please kindly pardon or enjoy the mic sound quality, okay? Working on that. All right. So a lot is going on in this chart. If you're new, you're like, whoa, yeah, it's a lot going on, guys. But let's start down in the low risk range. It's kind of where we left off on our previous video. Hopefully we're leaving links for that. So it looks like it actually dipped slightly below that range, okay? That's fine. The range is in between $4 and about 31 cents, goes all the way up to about $7.07-ish cents, okay? If you're asking yourself, yes, we are invested in the NEO market. No more purchasing going on just yet. We're just on standby, okay? So the first thing I wanted to go over with you guys with NEO. Notice it's below this white line. Just to kind of put some context on this white line, let's do a quick bird's eye view here, just to show you guys that there's been some activity near this line. Okay, let's just call it that. Starting back at November 2020, this little circled white check mark there. And if you notice here, a little clustered area of price action. So, hopefully it's clear that, a little arbitrary, but there has been some interesting price action near that level. And it appears that it's approaching that level now. So if there is a little bit of resistance at that level, which is currently at approximately, it's about $6, guys. So over the next week or two, if there's a little bit of resistance, that's fine, guys. It's going through what I would consider a transitional phase from this. Let's just call it a line of interest, okay? We're looking for that slow, gradual move over the next 2 to 3 weeks, quietly, no like big moves to the upside, so that the market can consolidate. Okay, so that was the first thing, this potential line of interest, maybe even resistance approaching the market right now, or the price action. Okay, now the other thing I was looking at is the earnings. Well, one of the things that I notice is whenever I'm investing in a stock and there's scattered what is it called? Sorry, guys, my mind threw a blank there. The earnings call. As long as there's like negative earnings, right? And it's kind of scattered with good earnings, right? So hopefully the next earnings call is negative. And I know somebody like, dude, why do you care about the earnings? So there was a lot of hype around this NEO stock, and I just want to make sure that there isn't any more hype or optimism around this stock, because when it was like in the 60s, we had some pretty interesting videos and some pretty interesting comments. We'll just leave it at that. There was a lot of hype, and the market like pretty much went down. I think it was like 92%, so about 66 on the highs down to the current level. Yeah, so it's like 91% down, which is good, I guess, depending on where you bought in. But if you're a long-term investor, it's likely you should be seeking the current levels to continue to entertain positions according to your strategy. Okay, that's not a buy recommendation. All right, this is not financial advice, guys. Okay, so negative earnings, the potential price target, the conservative price target we're looking for. I don't have a time frame in which this price target could happen. That's at about $16.21. So perhaps you have a thumbnail that says like 191%. That's where I got it from, guys. 191% to the upside from the current level. Okay, incoming in NEO. But what we're looking for, again, over the next 2 months, if I haven't already mentioned it, we're only looking for sideways consolidation or a potential double bottom scenario. Okay, so the lowest price after the market reached as low as like $3.61 recently. If there's some sort of double bottoming scenario, super hypothetical, I don't know what's going to happen in this market, but that would be a sign that the market is in preparation to consolidate, to move higher, okay? Because my personal observation of this market, I still don't see any structure, right? So if we go back in time, the video is getting kind of long, but we'll wrap it up here, guys, really quickly. The consolidation range. See, this is something that I can chart out and I can understand, like the inverted head and shoulders pattern sort of down here, right? Breaks the neckline, breaks out, right? I can identify a structure here, right? The reason I'm bringing that up is because if you pull everything, if you come on over here to the present price action, let's erase everything for 1 second. I'm not seeing any structure. All right, this is how I look at it. If you see something different, let me know down in the comment section. Like, Napoleon, you're wrong. I see the structure is right in front of you. But unfortunately, I'm not seeing any like real identifiable structure. Okay, just my way of understanding it. All right, so until I can see that, again, if there's a double bottom, beautiful. That's kind of a start of a nice V-shape double bottom, right? Break the neckline, hypothetical. So let's continue to wait. Let's give it about 2 months. Let the price action develop and kind of form some sort of structure or continue the downwards trajectory. I'm okay with that, guys. If it moves lower, I'm not biased in either direction. We're invested long positions, yes. But if it continues lower, that would be normal, because back in January 2021, the highest point, it has been walking down the stairs. Lower high, follow me on the screen kindly, please. Lower low, right? Up, lower high, down, double bottom, up, double top, new low, right? So it's just walking down the stairs, all right? We're trying to identify a turnaround. I think I've identified a turnaround that has not been confirmed. So 2 months, let's give it time. $16 price target, not sure when that's going to happen. We're waiting for that structure to form. And negative earnings and sideways consolidation. No new low created. That summarizes the entire video. So that's going to wrap things up for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And let me know what you think down in the comment section, guys. So that's the end of the video. If you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go, again, guys, pardon the sound quality. I'm not sure how it sounds. It's probably not that good. But go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb on the video if you enjoyed the content. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys are new, we also explore the alternative market, Bitcoin and Dogecoin for now. So you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.